Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, ma. Advance birthday ni Mama this coming June 24. Kaya lang, last day niya na ngayon. For some reason, may emergency sa Pilipinas, so hindi na siya makakapag-extend. So, ayun. Happy birthday, ma. Wishing you good health also. And magpalakas ka pa soon. Babalik ka rin dito, magkakasama tayo ulit. And praying na rin kay Mami na lumakas pa siya sa pagdating mo. Ayan, sana mas maging malakas pa siya. In God's will, bigyan pa siya ng mahabang buhay. So ayun, thank you so much sa pagpasyalo rin dito. Ayan, nakasama ka namin for 2 months. Nakita namin si Blake, nakasama mo. Alam ko medyo mahirap sa'yo na iwanan si Blake kasi napapamana sa'yo. Kaya sabi ko paano siya lumaki. Pero sa akin nga, sabi ko, mas importante yan si Mami, si Blake, yan. Mababalik niya lang po siya, lalaki po siya. Pero si Mami, alam ko yung situation, kaya naiintindihan ko rin. Kaya alam ko rin na hindi na kita pinilit na mag-stay kasi alam ko mas kailangan pa ni Mami sa ngayon. So ayun ma, happy birthday. Hindi na natin makagawa yung sa 24 yung birthday dito, kaya pinag-isa na natin. Happy birthday, magpalakas ka palagi. And I love you.
Hello. Happy birthday po. In advance, hopefully, maging safe po yung flight nyo and makarating kayo sa Pinas na maayos. Hopefully, masolve yung lahat ng problems na kakaarapin mo. I know you're strong. Nakita ko naman pala yung strong mo. During yung magkasama tayo, I know kayang-kaya nyo. And nandito lang naman din kami message to support you. And thank you. I really appreciate your help during this motherhood journey. Talaga kayo yung naging sandigan ko during those times na. Kasi first time mom, so lahat hindi alam yung gagawin, but you're there to guide and to help. Sobrang thankful po ako sa pagpunta dito, just to guide us. And hopefully you will enjoy also your birthday in the Philippines with our family there. And I wish you long life and also to Mami also. Sana mag-maayos din po yung condition niya. And lahat ng mga problems, I'm sure may solution po yun. And hindi yun bibigay ni Lord sa atin kung hindi natin kaya magiging conquer. So, pray lang po and have faith and everything will work for us. Again, thank you so much po and hopefully you will enjoy this night po. Again, maraming salamat po. And love you all.
Okay. Yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Go, go, go. Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of Bud.